Hi my beautiful friends, this is Dolly Jain and today I'm going to teach you how to drape a sari like a gown. No stitch, no cut, just 2 pins and your sari looks like a gown. You just need to enhance it with a nice waist belt and you're good to go. And to learn many more new drapes, you know what you have to do? Click on the red button so that you know whenever I post a new video, you get a notification. So stay tuned, stay connected and keep watching all my drapes. But just don't watch my drapes. Practice them, click a picture, post it to me so that we together can spread this beautiful Indian art of draping. So you start your basic tuck from here, take your fabric from behind and bring it here, and this is the complete one turn, and I mention it as the basic tuck. Okay, after you've done that, just neatly tuck it from behind. As I've mentioned that I'm doing a sari in a form of a gown, I would really like you all to try this. It's so interesting. I mean, you would not want to buy gowns. Rather, you would want to pick up saris from your moms and your grandmoms. You know, those beautiful chiffon saris that they have, and convert it into a gown and flaunt, I think. So let's see how we do this. You take this, tuck this here, bring this fabric from this side, and you just need to measure this, okay? After you've done that, just take this peg and secure it for now here on your shoulders. Take this from here, bring this down, and so that you can see, I'm just giving a peg here, fixing it up there. Then what you do, bring this fabric and attach a pin down like this. So after you've added this pin, now what you need to do is make the lower pleats. Always try and make broader pleats, because if you make narrow pleats, it will be too much here and you'll start looking motu. Okay, so start making these pleats and try and avoid taking this, because if you take this, then this part will become too thick. I'm just holding all the pleats together. Hold all of these and just dust them so that you get all beautiful, nice, neat pleats. And since it's georgette, any which ways the pleats really fall so beautifully. See this. After you've done this, just align them from here as well and tuck this right below your navel. Pull this part and tuck this also here so that you have nice neat pleat this side. So far I think it's all clear to you. Now what you need to do. So this is the tricky part. Take this peg off from here. This is your sari. Pull both the saris together and attach a pin together on this. See what I've done? I've taken this part and I've taken the lower part and I've attached a pin. Now her hand goes inside this. And woohoo! Look at this drape! It's fallen so beautifully. And this, you can just shape this up from here and together. If you have a beautiful sequenced blouse, you can even pull it lower, but since she has a plain blouse and it has no embroidery, the sari is embroidery, so I think we can always pull it a little high and bring it like this. To give it even more, drama to this drape, what you can do is take this. You can have a plain belt because this already has a lot to do. But if your sari is plain, which doesn't have embroidery, you can always have a beautiful, embellished belt. So take this from here and in your waist, as tight as you can. Just shape this properly. Bring this in front so that you can see this nice border right in front of you. That's it, and you're good to go to kill anyone in the party. So try this drape and give me a feedback. I'm looking forward to reading all your comments. So thank you so much.